Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Dr. Kitchen, where we explore the world of healthy eating and wellness. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. In this video we will talk about how you can stop cough in just 30 minutes. When a persistent cough or sore throat strikes, it can be both annoying and exhausting. Luckily, there's a time-tested remedy from Doctor's Kitchen that can bring relief in just 30 minutes: onion syrup. This natural, homemade syrup is easy to make and incredibly effective. Let's explore how you can soothe your throat and stop coughing with this simple, natural remedy. Onions are not just a staple in cooking. They also possess powerful medicinal properties. Onions are rich in antioxidants and have natural anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. These qualities make them an excellent remedy for soothing sore throats and reducing coughs. 1 large onion. 2–3 tablespoons of honey. A jar or container with a lid. Honey can promote healing of wounds and burns due to its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. Onions may lower the risk of heart disease by reducing cholesterol levels and improving blood pressure. Applied topically, honey can moisturize the skin, promote healing of acne and minor wounds, and even out skin tone. Onion contain vitamin C and other nutrients that support immune function. Steps to make onion syrup. Let's start. Start by peeling and slicing the onion into thin rings. The thinner the slices, the better, as this allows the onion to release its juices more effectively. Layer the onion and honey. In your jar or container, place a layer of onion slices at the bottom. Drizzle 1–2 tablespoons of honey over the onions. Repeat this process, layering onions and honey until you've used all the slices. If you prefer, you can use sugar instead of honey. Let it sit. Cover the jar with the lid and let it sit at room temperature for several hours, or preferably overnight. During this time, the onion will release its juices, combining with the honey to create a thick syrup. Strain and store. After the syrup has formed, strain out the onion pieces, leaving you with a smooth, sweet syrup. Store this syrup in the refrigerator and use it as needed. When you feel a cough or sore throat coming on, take 1–2 teaspoons of the onion syrup. The combination of onion's natural compounds and the soothing effect of honey works quickly to reduce irritation and calm your cough. Many people find relief within 30 minutes of taking the syrup. Natural remedy that can bring quick relief from coughs and sore throats. It's easy to make, requires only a few ingredients, and is safe for most people to use. Thanks for watching our video. Like and subscribe our channel Dr. Kitchen.